Hello everyone. Alright, so we have this phone, iPhone SE. See, she broke the touch screen. It's working on this side a little bit, but not working here, and also you can see the resolution is like really bad. I already popped the screen open, so we're gonna fix this in like 15 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so this is almost done. Let's see. I know you're probably saying that, why is that screen white? Well, I didn't have the black one anymore, sold out, and the customer is okay with this color, so I asked her, she said fine, no problem, she doesn't mind. It's plugged in, let's give it a shot. Right. Voila. One button works. Touch screen completely works. Okay, this is all done. Gonna give this to the customer now. So ready. Sweet. Put in the phone. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.